Alright. Me want to back the blogger boy talk about me and the most wanted from Clarendon. Pussy me the most wanted long time. But get this blood class straight. Ask every chopper down there. None of them ever try me. Me a millionaire from 7 years ago. I'm even come a Batman for the money. I know my friends supposed to super rich on me. Me what you see here, worth over $1.5 million US. Ask Batman Speeder God and him friend them. And every one of them. None of them in the league. Pussy. My own house a Birmingham where I never sleep in a second mother. And $50 million I spend on Speeder God and the one of my killers them from 2000 bomber class 17 to 2022. No more dead and God left me. I say alone me, I'm a mother now. I'm a friend them, me teach them a game. Me kill for them, rob for them, turn them into Somali. And now, me come out, me tell the batty boys, I can't money come. Cause me want to tell them my money free. But you know what I'm telling them, my business pussy. You don't know my money free, I'm telling you. Why you don't know? Cause you know me come in and I carry $1 million. Batty boy. And me, I the blood clot man. I walk with that 3, 4, 5 million and back. And I get dirty stinking junker. Don't blood camp him in a big batty vlogger boy. Any of me knows vlogger so I'm gonna kill him now, no. Tell me your name vlogger boy. If you name blood clot Sir P, don't talk about me. Cause Sir P always get him facts blood clot right. That's why every real murder respect Sir P. Hey, I'm gonna have bomb buckler fuck. Hey, don't let me show you where my face is pussy. You know what I'm telling you? Me no want a weak blood clot vlogger boy go talk about me now. We don't look a small fuck now. Ask the police about me a no pussy. Ask them. I want more can feed police. I tell them spend my money now. I want to work my phone now. Cause me I get paranoid and me soon dead. So me left my money now and stop spending. Cause I want to tell them to give me $2 to them. So batty boys. Come and carry the money come give me. I only remember buy 3 AK dog. Cause when you me link speed and him batty man friend them now. And him a suck cocky bread money them and J Cool them on him now. And you know introduce me to them and I made done no batty boy. You know me the speeder? To owe me bill a youth. I got look for fool boy. When you make money, me say yo buy a car, batty boy. You see me have much car already. Me say pussy buy gun. Before man box the by ears. Vlogger boy, you talk about me a chat. Why you think they can't answer? Cause me help them the truth. And different apart from helping them know me a murderer youth. Ask me ugly man and father about me, from me a pick me a kill. Me kill more than 100 people. Police are nothing to me. Yes, they can't find me, they can't touch me. Last time me gave me a bail and video call the police and say pussy. Read me before me done bail. Alright, since I start going, I kill 10 police. I 3 AK me buy, brother. Bulletproof vest. Me have 300 rounds for each gun. But suck on the mother batty vlogger boy. I'm there, sir. You see how big pussy rapper crapper? Batty boy call on me say them things them pussy. And they post them junker. Hey, remember this blood clot now. I mean them killing them bomb buckler kill. All night me in a company gym. Many like young Sam. 1 4F. Go watch you one boy. And stop fucking go watch you one. Learn that. The laughing people. Listen. Ask the police and why they look for me. 2 of my friends them stress me out. Me go up on my yard. Go chop up my auntie. Chop up my husband. And chop up my son. Me alone. I'm in a take coke. I'm in a take pill. All the thing with a bun cigarette and drink water. So I'm in a jug. Just don't want to pussy style me. Hey, let me tell you that straight. Tonight I come kill 3 man. Hey, don't run put me in a butt, brother. And enough of them kill us already, I don't know now. Hey, let me tell you straight. It's just that you don't put blood clot me. Elevator. Walk with 20 guns, I kill them, shoot up a vehicle, and set them out. No little cheap Glock can't ramp with me. Cheap like a fuckery. If one of my gun in my full iron. You know what is an AK batty boy? AK flick. And tear up your blood clot BMW and tear up your ass and batty boy. Tell the sucker police them. Say when I come from me pussy, bring soldier, when you can't manage me. When you look at 16 light. Yes, you don't come from me, what do you do? When I disappear, none of them see what I done. I just me 2 killer when I see. And my 2 killer disappear. And I see they could eat that one in the wall. But you know, kill family. I come here, go batty boy, I say, yo, kill me auntie for me. And kill me cousin. And kill the batty boy and fuck me auntie. Boy come tell me, say, him not kill the bomb buckler family and the film family. That means he never kill nobody. Because anybody kill a life after this my family. What you with father? Me put on my gun and take out my blood clot and start chat them. Me kill the husband and sleep, you know. When my auntie fly up, I'm holding my chop him a million times, you know. I'm a this blood clot. I'm just robbing my uncle. The reason I'm hug up and say, oh, me not kill her tonight. I become a special way of killing a blood clot. I'm going to tell you, oh, I'm going to kill her. And I got armor next